drama.
So don't keep your hopes up.
All right. How about you, Soon?
I don't know.
Just or you can just like physically.
Physically, I like girls with pretty eyes.
Okay.
I like girls who likes me. Yeah, I like girls who likes me more than the girl that I like.
Oh.
Yeah.
Really?
When I find out that if somebody likes me, like I tend to give more attention to that person. That I kind of slowly start to like that person for some reason.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, it seems like you got your facial expression is like, oh, we have no idea that you.
Yeah.
I knew that was
Yeah.
I see, Soon, but you have a lot of fans, right?
Yeah.
As you can see.
They're all his ideal types.
I know. There
That
you
was
go.
what I was trying to say.
Anyways, Moon.
Me, I like a hot girl.
Oh, it didn't change. So last
change
time,
at all.
yeah,
Yes.
last time when
With a
I
great
interviewed
heart.
you,
With a great heart.
yeah.
Yeah.
There you go. Thank you very much for answering that question.
for the bad answer.
James actually gave you were the only person who actually gave
A
the.
specific name. You know what? I don't mind.
Okay, we have a messages. So we have Vivi from Brazil. Ooh. We have listeners from Brazil. So which country would you like to go on a romantic vacation with your special someone?
Brazil.
Ooh, Brazil.
Brazil.
That is a hot place.
Yep.
Oh, how about you, James?
Which place would I like to go? I would like to go to LA. Because
LA.
I know the best restaurants there.
Oh,
And
okay.
I feel comfortable there. But actually, no, actually.
So, and you can also like you take a girl out to dinner and then you're like
And
everything's done.
Ibiza, Spain.
It's totally different. It's like LA. Ibiza.
I know.
Yeah.
Ah.
For lunch. Just
You don't
Ibiza.
go to you lunch.
I know. I'll have to study a little more.
Go there for dinner.
You go for dinner
For
and
brunch.
party brunch. Okay, why not? And Soon, how about you? With your special someone?
A special someone. I would like to go to France.
France.
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know. It's just I like wine and I like I like some music.
Uh-huh.
It's a very romantic
Yeah,
country.
It is very romantic.
Yeah.
I see. Thank you very much. And we have actually the ID is Suyun.
Yeah.
Look at that. She's your ideal type right
maybe
now.
it was me.
Okay, from Australia. So, hello, Suyun. I am looking at your shirt.
Hello.
Oh, looking at your. Okay, what is that? What does it say? What?
Look. It has
Oh.
on the O's it has like the eyebrows.
That's really cute. That's really, really cute. And also, we have Eva from Poland. Hello, Royal Pirates.
Hi.
Hello.
And yes, that's it.
Okay.
And
Okay.
greeting, just a greeting
goodbye.
from different countries.
I
And
see.
we have a Butchesar from Iceland.
Iceland.
She's our loyal listener as well. So welcome to Sound K Royal Pirates. I am your big fan from Iceland, and I have been waiting for you since they announced that you were coming. So I love you, and you sound so much fun. I am happy for your success, and I hope you will visit Europe soon. Love
will.
from Iceland.
Will.
Thank
You know
you.
what? She been posting the pictures on my SNS, and I saw this, all the backgrounds and environment through the picture. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful country. So, and we have Ma Angeline and Amanda Cook saying, and actually Ma Angeline is from Philippines and Amanda from Malaysia. So, I really want to listen to Haru. Haru is a great song, and really want to if you guys can sing for us, please do. Yes, and you guys prepare the
Yes,
song
we did, yes.
live, right?
We did.
So Amanda and Ma Angeline, this is for you guys especially. So are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Yes, we are.
Let's do it.
All right, so here we go. 하루 다 지나가겠다. Haru by Royal Pirate live.
전형적인 미는 아니지만 볼수록 매력적인 네가 좋아 여성스러워 목소리는 아니지만 들으면 들을수록 정이 들어 연락은 자주 못하지만 항상 보고 싶어 yeah. 1분 1초마다 yeah, yeah. 너만 쳐다보다 하루 다 지나가겠다 널 보다 무각도 못하겠다 너만 생각하다 하루 다 지나가겠다 네 생각에 오늘 밤 잠을 안 오겠지만 어쩔 수 없이 너 때문에 하루 다 지나가겠다 우린 너무 다른 점이 많지만 내 부족한 부분은 네가 채워 아무리 봐도 너는 내게 항상 아름다워 yeah. 누가 뭐라 해도 yeah, yeah. 너만 쳐다보다 하루 다 지다 널 보다 무각도 못하겠다 널 매일 생각하다 하루 다 지나가겠다 네 생각에 오늘 밤 잠을 안 오겠지만 어쩔 수 없이 너 때문에 하루 다 지나가겠다 하루 다 지나가겠다 yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh my goodness, Moon Sanova. So there you go. So you wrote this song,
I did.
and this is based on the true story.
Yes, it was based on experience.
Okay, what happened?
It was
Basically saying.
I wrote this a while ago, but
Okay.
it was when I first started seeing somebody, you know. But when you first start seeing someone, you like just everything about them, you know. You like every little part about them, and it's about, you know, how like you can just stare at them and a day would just pass by.
With that mysterious eye.
Yes, I did.
All right, and what do you guys think of the song?
It's great.
I think it's actually my favorite song on the
Oh,
album.
look at that. And Moon, what's your favorite song?
This song.
Oh, really? I see. I see. So, oh my goodness, that was really, really romantic. And thank you very much. That song was Haru 다 지나가겠다, Haru by Royal Pirates. That was amazing live. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank
And
you.
we have Lilo from Japan. Okay. So I agree with Moon Sanova. Now everyone's calling him Moon Sanova. I think Moon is a very flirtatious, even when he is singing.
Am I?
Oh, I am blushing actually, seeing him performing on music show FIFA from
That's
Malaysia.
sweet.
So why don't you say the message for FIFA?
What? Am I making you blush, FIFA? Then I'm doing my job.
I just got a goosebump. Oh my goodness. Anyways, thank you very much. And we have a Botana 0410 from Morocco. So, hello Royal Pirates and DJ Stephanie. Hello, hello. I am Botana from Morocco, and I'm a huge fan of Royal Pirates. I don't really have a number because each one of them has his own charm. I really agree with you. For example, Moon's voice and his Moon Sanova skills. Do you have any skills? What's your skill?